5 signs of food poisoning every parent should know. Number 1, diarrhea. This basically means watery stool. If this happens to your child at about 3 times or more in a day, pay attention. Number 2, a fever, especially if it starts from 40 degrees Celsius or 104 degrees Fahrenheit and above, you would need to get them checked out by a doctor. Number 3, nausea and vomiting. Be sure to give them enough fluids to replace what is being lost. The goal is to prevent dehydration, which could make the situation worse. Number 4, stomach ache or cramps, which could be in specific areas of the abdomen or the entire abdominal region. And number 5, weakness. This is usually due to having lost a large amount of fluids through vomiting and diarrhea. So this could cause the blood pressure of the infected person to go down, which is what we call hypotension. And this usually comes with the feeling of being weak or hypoactivity. So these are 5 symptoms of food poisoning. When you notice 2, 3, 4 or more signs and symptoms in your child after having eaten a specific kind of food, it would be important for you to pay attention and take them to the hospital to get checked out by a doctor. Thanks for watching. This is Dr. C. See you in the next video. Bye.